How to cancel one-click pay in Temu application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have enabled one-click pay but do not know how to cancel it, it's quite simple. First of all, you have to select any item into your cart and then you can go to the cart. Fill in the criteria for checkout, which could be a minimum order. So make sure you add all such items on the cart to make sure that your minimum items are selected. Once that is done, you can move forward into checking out. Checkout requires your address and all other details. Once that is done, you will land to the page whereby you can now continue to payment. Thereby, in add a cart section, you will see one click pay. Make sure to tap on it to uncheck and then you can select another payment method. After that, if you continue, you have successfully cancelled one click pay. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.